Quem vem e atravessa o rio junto à Serra do Pilar, vê um velho casario que se estende até ao mar. Quem te vê ao vir da ponte, és cascata San Joanina, erigida sobre um monte, no meio da neblina, por ruelas e calçadas, da ribeira até à foz, por pedras sujas e gastas e lampiões tristes e só. Esse teu ar grave e sério num rosto de cantaria oculta o mistério dessa luz bela e sombria. Spilling out and staggering in a square. There's lads and lasses falling about and a crackling in the air. Down around the dungeon doors, the shutters and the queues, everybody's looking for somebody's arms to fall into. That's what it is. That's what it is now. Here's frost on the graves and the monuments, but the taverns are warm in town. People curse the government and shovel hard food down. Lights are out in City Hall, the castle and the keep. The moon shines down upon it all, the legless and the sleepless. Cold on the toll gate where the wagons creeping through. Cold on the toll gate, God knows what I can do with you. That's what it is. That's what it is now. The garrison sleeps in the citadel with the ghosts and the ancient stones. High on the parapet, a Scottish piper stands alone. High on the wind, the Highland drums begin to roll. Something from the past just comes and stares into my soul. Cold on the toll gate with a Caledonian moon. Cold on the toll gate, God knows what I can do with you. That's what it is. That's what it is now. Candlesticks still writing songs in the wee wee house on Charlotte Street. I take a walking stick from my hotel. The ghost of Dirty Dick is still in search of Little Nell. That's what it is. It's what it is now.
Há prenúncio de morte Lá do fundo de onde eu venho, os antigos chamam-lhe ralho. Novos ricos são má sorte, é a pronúncia do norte. Os tontos chamam-lhe torpe. Hemisfério fraco, outro forte.